Good morning, students. In our last class, means in our physical class, we have completed some part of grammar and vocabulary of the lesson environment. So, we'll be completing the remaining part of the grammar and writing part of this lesson in this class. So, I hope you will listen and follow the class which I am explaining you, and if you have any doubts you can message me. Look at the following conversation and notice how it is reported. So here they have given the conversation and they are asking us to observe how it is reported. So NHK radio NHK radio. So what NHK radio is telling is how is peace connected to a good environment. So NHK radio is asking that how peace is connected to a good environment. Then what did Wangari Mattai said? Many wars that are fought in the world are fought over natural resources. Some wars are fought because the environment is so degraded that it is not able to support communities, and so they fight over the little that is left. Others are fought because some people want to take a lot of the resources to control them and to keep many other people out. So this is what she explained. So this same has been written in a reported speech. See here, reported speech of the above conversation. So how they have reported it, we can see here. NHK radio asked Wangari Mattai how peace was connected to a good environment. Then she answered that, she means Wangari Mattai here, she answered that many wars that were often in the world were fought over natural resources. Some wars were fought because the environment was so degraded that it was not able to support communities, and so they fought over the little that was left. Others were fought because some people wanted to take a lot of the resources to control them and to keep many other people out. So this same conversation has written in reported speech. So you can observe the differences given here, how they have mentioned and how they have changed the sentences in reported speech. This I have already told you in the class. To find out the differences, to underline them and to show me in the class. So I hope you all have underlined it and send if you have underlined, just send the pic without field. So here there is a activity. Write the following in reported speech. Here they have given one conversation and they are asking us to write it in reported speech. So first we will see the conversation. NHK radio, what is the one thing we can do? So NHK radio was asking, what is that one thing we can do? Then what did Wangari Mattai said? For me, my greatest activity is to plant a tree. I think that a tree is a wonderful symbol for the environment. And when we plant a tree, we plant hope. We plant the future for ourselves, for our children, for the birds. We plant something we will last long after we gone. So she was telling that what we can do, what is that one thing which we can do. So we have to convert this conversation into reported speech. So students, I have converted it and I have written it for you. Please write them in your textbook with the help of a pencil. You can see here, NHK radio asked Wangari Mattai what the one thing that they could do was. She answered that the greatest activity was to plant a tree for her. She thought that tree was a wonderful symbol for the environment, and when they planted a tree, They planted a hope. They planted the future for themselves, for their children, for the birds. They planted something that would last long after they were gone. So you have to write in this way without any mistakes, write them neatly while observe the spellings and write correctly. So now what you have to write here? Yes, NHK Radio asked Vangari Mattai what the one thing that they could do was. She answered that the greatest activity was to plant a tree for her. She thought that tree was a wonderful symbol for the environment, and when they planted a tree, they planted a hope. They planted the future for themselves, for their children, for the birds. They planted something that would last long after they were gone. So you have to write in this way. And we have another one, B. Report the following dialogue. Before we have converted a conversation into reported speech. So now what we have to do is we have to convert the dialogue into a reported speech. So first see what the dialogue is. Man, I am doing a survey on shopping habits. Then what did woman said? Okay, as long as I didn't take long. So man said, how often do you eat hamburgers? Then what did woman said? Never, I am a vegetarian. I don't eat any animal products. Then man asked, right, can I just ask you a personal question? Are you wearing leather shoes? Then what did woman said? Yes, I am. Then man said, don't you think that's rather hypocritical? Then woman said, no, not really. Then man, oh, that's amusing. Then we have to convert this dialogue into a reported speech. This also I have done it for you. Write them neatly in your textbook with the help of the pencil. So the man said that he was doing a survey on shopping habits. The woman, acknowledging that, said she would answer the questions if they didn't take much time. The man asked her how often she ate hamburgers. The woman replied that she never ate that as she was a vegetarian and she didn't eat any animal products. Then the man sought her to permit to ask a personal question and inquires if she was wearing leather shoes. The woman said that she was. The man asked her if she didn't think that was rather hypocritical. The woman said she really didn't. Finally, the man said that was only amusing. Students, write them neatly without spelling mistakes. See the written matter carefully and write neatly. I'm once again repeating you for this paragraph for you. The man said that he was doing a survey on shopping habits. The woman, acknowledging that, said she would answer the questions if they didn't take much time. The man asked her often she ate hamburgers. The woman replied that she never ate that as she was a vegetarian and she didn't eat any animal products. Then the man sought her to permit to ask personal question and inquires if she was wearing leather shoes. The woman said she was. The man asked her if she didn't think that was rather hypocritical. Then the woman said she really didn't. Finally, the man said that was only amusing. Then, moving to the writing part, you have read the interview with Vangari Mattai. You know how and what type of questions have been asked by the interviewer. Imagine that you have decided to interview someone concerned with environment. You may include the following. You can include these things: issues relating to the environment, the causes, actions that could be taken to save the environment. Now, write an imaginary interview. This I have already explained you in the in your physical class. So I hope you all will write this without fail. So what you have to do is you have to write an imaginary interview, uh, that you have decided to interview someone. Means you have to write an imaginary interview with someone who is concerned with environment, and you can include the things like issues related to the environment, the causes and actions that could be taken to save the environment. So students, by this we complete the A reading, and I want you all to write your notes without any mistakes. And you all know the pattern how to write your notes. First write the hard words, then glossary, question answers, then vocabulary, grammar and writing part. So try to complete these things, and complete the notes of this lesson and send me without fail. We'll be completing the remaining part of the lesson in the next session. Thank you. Have a good day.